The Aston Martin Valkyrie Hypercar 2025 marks a new chapter in the brand's history. Developed with a focus on racing performance, the model represents Aston Martin's entry into the hypercar categories of the FIA World Endurance Championship and IMSA, bringing a vehicle directly derived from a road-legal supercar to the track. The Valkyrie's development was the result of a technical collaboration between Aston Martin Performance Technologies and Team THOR, which handled the adaptation for the demands of endurance racing. While it retains the core architecture of the original road car, the competition version has been significantly refined for increased durability, reduced weight, and improved aerodynamic control in long-distance events. At its core, the Valkyrie is powered by a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 engine built by Cosworth, producing over 1,000 horsepower. Engineered to rev up to 11,000 RPM, the power unit has been reconfigured to ensure reliability and efficiency under hypercar regulations. Its performance figures are impressive. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 2.5 seconds, and a top speed of around 350 kilometers per hour. The car features a carbon fiber chassis and Formula One inspired aerodynamics. Active diffusers, adjustable wings, and carbon ceramic brakes enhance stability at high speeds and allow for precise handling under extreme conditions. Weighing approximately 1,030 kilograms, the Valkyrie is clearly engineered with a racing mindset. This will be the only entry in the 2025 WEC grid based on a homologated road-going hypercar, marking Aston Martin's return to the fight for the overall victory at Le Mans for the first time since 1959. The debut is scheduled for the Qatar 1812 kilometers on February 28, 2025, with 2 Valkyries entered by Team THOR. Expectations are high, both in terms of performance and symbolic value. Beyond the racetrack, the Valkyrie Hypercar also stands out for its exclusivity. With an extremely limited production run and an estimated price of €3 million, it is positioned as a collector's item that embodies cutting-edge engineering and Aston Martin's racing heritage. With the Valkyrie Hypercar, Aston Martin bridges legacy and innovation, setting a new benchmark for track-ready vehicles derived from road-legal supercars. Its performance will be closely watched by fans and engineers alike, eager to assess the project's impact on both motorsport and automotive technology. If you enjoyed this content, subscribe to the channel for more in-depth analysis like this. See you next time.